Did they get loose on us?
Alright.
Dang it. Should have strung them up.
So we are in the new map. This is one of my very first times playing it, so I don't know my way around at all. I see an exit here though, so wait, probably... Okay. Oh, it's the generator one. Damn it. I thought it was the other. Trap this. I don't think the traps do much next to the generators because, you know, victims kinda expect them to be there, so... Okay. I think this is the only way in, actually. Yeah, like people are super fast now, like it's actually impressive. Like the game has been out for like a couple of days and, you know, most of the players already figure out how to run around and stuff. And to do objectives real quick. I think this is where the other guy spawned. The other family member.
I know Grandpa thinks
Think.
the best. The best.
Oh. Can't see anything. I need to go here. Isn't this the guy who can shoulder bash you? I think he is, right? I'm out of stamina. Dude, are you really gonna die from me? Like, I deal no damage, basically, like... Okay. Oh, nice. Wow, immediately DC. I kinda feel robbed though. That was my kill. But it's okay. Wait, maybe this is a smart trap to set. Because they're probably gonna try to jump in the pit. It's fine though, I got a lot of blood, I can feed Grandpa. Like, the thing is that if you get an early kill, then things are gonna go way better, but you kinda need an early kill, I think,
Drink it now, Grandpa. Get your fill.
because, you know, everything needs time, even feeding Grandpa and stuff, and if there are 4 people running around, you don't really have time, you know, to focus on trapping stuff, on locking doors, on doing everything killers have to do, you know. So, because you will be busy chasing the survivors, of course. There is a heal bottle here, so I wanna trap it.
They'll never see this. It always works.
Also, I have no clue how this map is, like, I'm super new to it. I'm just running around now. I want to check this side of the map, where I'm going. Oh. I hear footsteps, I think. Yeah, somebody opened the door. Or maybe it was Leatherface. Yeah, I think it was him. Wait, let me try go here. Never been here. I'm kinda exploring a bit too, so you guys can also see the map. The new map. I need to close this door behind me. Yeah, there is also a slight delay from when you start pressing your keys, you know, and the actual interactions. Maybe I see, yeah, I see somebody. I think I saw another guy going upstairs. There is one in the basement, I'm chasing her, and one other guy came upstairs.
I got two on me.
Okay. Yeah, I can't. I can't get her though. Maybe from here?
Come on out.
I'm chasing two of them right now.
Like, it's weird that I'm hearing these guys only after I talked for the first time. Maybe it's... because I know for a fact that the in-game audio is a bit glitched. This guy takes a really long time to kill, so... I don't know if she healed, but... I'm out of stamina. She did a little 360, but it was... like, she should have just run. Because I was out of stamina. This is... it's like killing her with a spoon. No! Ah, damn it.
I got one more.
I have one on me. I will kill you with my spoon! Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude. It took so long. Jesus. Like, they really should give this guy a spoon as a cosmetic. Like, I would actually buy it, probably. Just for the lore, you know? I'm gonna feed Grandpa now, because I'm stocked up on blood.
Last one's on me.
Okay.
All you need is a little time.
We did good this round. Probably because, you know, they were newish too, like the victims. I don't know who spoke though, if it was Leatherface or the cook. Wait, I can see it. I think it was the cook. Okay. Yeah. I think we lost him. It's way more chill when there is only one guy left. Yeah, I think we need to rely on the cook at this point, because it's very difficult to find one. Cook, can you hear them?
No, I can't. I don't see him. He was in the basement last time.
Okay. Maybe we should go in the basement. Because I think there is an escape route down here, so somebody better check it. And that somebody
Yep,
is
he's
me.
in the basement.
Basement.
I heard him.
Wait, let me see. Yeah, they are upstairs though. My teammates, so I'm alone. I mean, even if I know they are here, it's gonna be difficult to spot them. Yeah. I had a match where basically the last victim hid for like 15 minutes and we couldn't find her. Oh, there it is. Coming.
Wait, wait.
Wait.
Go hide. Go.
Wait though. Where? Oh, there he is. Yeah. He's on me. I'm chasing him. Behind you, Cook. Behind you. Okay. Yeah. He's dead. He bled out.
Yeah, he's dead.
GG's.
GG, man.
Whew. So as you can see, also this was my first game with cons. As you can see, it's a whole different story from my previous games. It is way stronger to communicate with your teammates, and I'll tell you more, it's way more important to communicate as a killer than it is as a survivor in this game.